This video will demonstrate the proper cleaning process of the iMix 14 hot beverage system. Open the cabinet door. Place the normal program rinse switching the rinse position. Place a container under the dispense nozzle that is to be rinsed. Press the dispense switch. The dispenser will run for 10 seconds while the hopper is disabled. After all positions have been rinsed, return the normal program rinse switch to the normal position. Empty the drip drain wash components in a mild solution of dish detergent using a bristle brush. Open the cabinet door. Turn the hopper elbows upwards. Remove the steam collector by pulling it forward and twisting in a clockwise rotation. Pull the mixing chamber out of the whipper chamber. Remove the trough. Twist the whipper chamber clockwise and pull it off the whipper chamber receptacle. Pull the further off the motor shaft. Twist whipper chamber receptacle clockwise and pull it off the motor shaft. Wipe all surfaces with a clean washcloth that has been dampened with hot water. Wash components in a mild solution of dish detergent using a bristle brush. Rinse and dry each item thoroughly before reassembling. Open the cabinet door. Turn the hopper elbows upwards. Remove the hopper assembly from the cabinet. Repeat for all hoppers. Remove the cover and empty the contents. Remove the agitator disc and mixing blades by spreading the hopper walls slightly and pulling one side then the other. Pull the ejector elbow off the hopper base. Firmly hold auger with one hand and remove auger drive coupling by turning it clockwise. Remove the auger and auger drive shaft by pulling them out the front of the hopper. Wash all components in a mild solution of dish detergent using a bristle brush when needed. Rinse and dry each item thoroughly before reassembling.